Welcome back! Thank you for clicking in my video. Today I suddenly crave for hot and sour soup, also yummy noodle, so I combined the two and made a hot and sour soupy me noodle for lunch. I hope you will like it. I didn't add too many ingredients to this recipe because it's already delicious. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: hot and sour seasoning, yummy noodle, corn kernels, vegan seafood tofu. Cubes vegan seafood tofu. Add water into soup pot. Add seasoning powder and bring to boil. Add in corn kernel. Add vegan seafood tofu once it's boiled. Add yumi and cook until soften. The noodles can be eaten once they are soft. Isn't it simple, just like cooking instant noodles? Pour into soup bowl. Making yummy noodles this way is delicious and appetizing. You get soup and noodles to eat, and your tummy will be warm and satisfied all night long. You may also add Sichuan vegetable to cook as soup base. It'll enhance the flavor and tastes so good. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Hot and sour soup is a classic Chinese soup famous for its unique hot and sour taste. It has a rich flavor, with the sour taste mainly coming from vinegar such as rice vinegar or aged vinegar. and the spiciness coming from white pepper or chili oil. The soup usually contains ingredients such as tofu, fungus, carrots, bamboo shoots, etc., with a variety of tastes. The sour taste of hot and sour soup is refreshing and appetizing, and the spiciness is mild and non-irritating. The overall taste is delicious and suitable for pairing with staple food or as an appetizer soup. The origin of hot and sour soup. A mouthful of hot and sour soup is half of the Chinese food world. The origin of hot and sour soup can be called the sweeping monk in the Chinese food world. It seems ordinary, but it actually hides its merits and reputation. Its story starts with the love-hate relationship between sour and spicy, a pair of Millennium CPS. Origin legend, a counterattack of imperial chef overturning. According to legend, a certain emperor in the Song dynasty had a poor appetite. In order to stimulate the appetite, the imperial chef tried to use vinegar to sour it, but accidentally poured too much. In a hurry, he had an idea to sprinkle pepper powder to neutralize it and grab the tofu, fungus, bamboo shoots, and other kitchen scraps to cook into a pot. Unexpectedly, the emperor tasted it, and the sour, spicy and fresh fragrance rushed straight to the top of his head, and his appetite was greatly opened. He named it Jiaju Tong on the spot. Regional dispute. Sichuan cuisine and Henan cuisine fight for registration. The origin of hot and sour soup remains a mystery, and both Sichuan and Henan cuisine claim to be its spiritual hometown. The Sichuan style focuses on spicy, sour and fragrant. The chili oil is bright red. The sour taste comes from aged vinegar, and even shredded pork can be found in the side dishes. It is known as Sichuan hot and sour soup. Henan style Henan. Pay attention to white, sour, and spicy. The sourness comes from vinegar. The spiciness comes from white pepper powder. The soup is clear. Tofu, fungus, and a lily are standard. And it is closer to the traditional version. There is also hula tang from Shaanxi to join in the fun, but they take the root of thick spices and are not considered direct relatives. A mouthful of hot and sour soup is like drinking history and tasting the rivers and lakes. Next time you drink soup, you might as well think about it. What is stirred in this bowl is a big stew of thousands of years of dietary wisdom. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.